Guys, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of a project, my next cake video that I'm working on right now. Here is a Christmas Grinch cake. Also, you can turn it into a Christmas Elsa cake or frozen cake. It just depends on the figurines you put on it. So I'm going to show you a little bit how it's stacked. I was just so excited about this video that I wanted to give you a little preview. Right now I'm in the process of editing it, and it'll be the next video that I post right after this. Super excited, something that everybody can make themselves, and you can get creative. You don't have to just do the Grinch or just have to do Frozen, but you can come up with some other Christmas cake ideas if you just learn how to make this base. Of course, when the video is done, I will post it in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. Tell me something you want me to make in the future. Give us a thumbs up, and of course make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications just so you find out next time we make a video. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.